Hey folks, yesterday, January 28, 2026, Fed Chair Jerome Powell and the FOMC decided to hold interest rates steady at 3.5% to 3.75%, breaking a streak of 3 cuts. No big shocks, but plenty of insights on the economy, inflation, and what's next. Let's break it down in under 5 minutes, key points, straight from Powell's press conference. First, the rate hold. Powell emphasized the current stance is appropriate after 75 basis points of easing since September. It's now in a neutral territory to support jobs and tame inflation. No preset path, decisions will be data-driven, meeting by meeting. He hinted the next move is likely a cut, but wouldn't rule out hikes if inflation sticks around. Second, economic outlook is optimistic. The US economy expanded solidly last year and enters 2026 on a firm footing. Growth improved since the last meeting, with resilient consumer spending and business investment. Housing remains weak, and a recent government shutdown dragged Q4, but rebound expected. Third, labor market stabilizing. Unemployment at 4.4%, little change recently. Job gains averaged just 22,000 a month lately, 29,000 private, down due to slower labor force growth from lower immigration and participation, not just weak demand. Risks to employment have diminished. Fourth, inflation progress, but not done. PCE inflation at 2.9%, 3% core, over 12 months to December, eased from 2022 peaks but elevated, blamed on tariff-boosted goods prices. Services disinflating, and Powell expects tariffs effects to pass, resuming the drop to 2%. Upside risks to inflation have lessened. Fifth, Fed independence front and center. Powell dodged political questions 5 times, saying, "I have nothing for you on that." Advice to his successor? Stay out of elected politics. He stressed credibility comes from nonpartisan decisions for the public good. 2 dissents for a quarter-point cut, including one from a governor heading back to the White House. Overall, the dual mandate, jobs and prices, is more balanced. Powell called the conference a snoozer, no fireworks, but signals caution amid uncertainty. Markets? Stocks flat, gold surged as safe haven. Watch March for potential moves. If this melt-up continues or cracks appear, we'll cover it. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more market breakdowns. Peace out.